Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this triangle piece, and I joined this triangle into a dolly pattern. Okay, now let's see how to crochet the triangle pattern. This pattern with the back post double crochet and front post double crochet. So now we are going to start with 3 chain in magic ring, then 2 double crochet, 3 chain, then 3 double crochet, then again 3 chain and 3 double crochet. Three chain again, slip stitch with the third chain. Okay, now we have 3 chain space. Okay, now we are going to 3 chain, then in the first chain, okay, we'll be doing chain only. Then the second double crochet, we are going to front post double crochet. Okay, then the third one we are going to do back post double crochet, then 2 double crochet in the chain space, 3 chain, 2 double crochet in the chain space, then we are going to make back post double crochet and front post in the middle, then back post in the last one. Then we are going to make 2 double crochet, 3 chain, then 2 double crochet, back post, front post and back post, 2 double crochet, 3 chain, 2 double crochet, and we are going to join with slip stitch with the first one. Okay, this is how it looks, triangle shape. Okay, now you see. Okay, from here we are going to make 3 chain, then just now the front post, maintain with front post, then back post, then front post and back post, then 2 double crochet in the chain space. We are going to repeat this method back post, front post, back post, front post, and back post, front post, back post. So 2 double crochet in the chain space. I think back post, you all understand, because when we do back post once, then we are going to do front post once. So we are going to repeat that. It's a very easy pattern because of the front post and back post stitches. It looks so nice. Okay, in the space always maintain with 2 double crochet, 3 chain and 2 double crochet. Then back post, because we are starting with back post, so we are ending with back post. Front post and join with slip stitch. Okay, this is the method. I did 5 rows here. You can follow, even if you want 6 or 7 rows also can. It's your choice. I'm doing 5 rows. Okay, we already complete this one. I did 5 rows of this. Okay, the same method. Now we are going to join. I'm going to show you how to join it. This one in the back post, and here you can see front post. If we look from here, it's front post. If we look from here, it's back post. Okay, now it's a front post for the pattern. So now we are going to pull in, then just slip stitch. I'm going to, you see the back post and the front post of this part. We're just going to pull in and pull out like this, then slip stitch. That's all. So easy. So the stitches also look so nice. Okay, let's complete like this. Okay, complete. Cut off the yarn and hide the tails. See the stitches, so nice. You can see the stitches like this. Okay, I hope you like the video. Give a try. Okay, please subscribe, share and give a thumbs up. Thank you.